might have been years you're using your iPhone, but I'm sure there are like hidden features, tricks in your iPhone that maybe you're not using until today. In this video, if you stay with me, I'm going to show you some cool hidden iPhone features that can help you on daily basis, making your life easier and faster. And they are, believe me, smart ones. So let's get started with messages. Did you know that in the Messages app on your iPhone, if you're using iMessage, not the normal green bubble like message, you can send messages using your handwriting. Yes. Now make sure you rotate your iPhone and then now making it the landscape mode and tap on this handwriting icon in the bottom right. Tap on it, and here are like some samples available ready, like messages or replies. For example, hello, thank you, happy birthday, congratulations, and I'm sorry, things like that. Just choose it and you're good to go and tap done. Or clear it and write down the thing that you want. For example, maybe write down see you and then done, and you can send it. And that's it. Still in the Messages app, you know guys, if you want to send a photo from your iPhone, you can do so. You can tap on the plus icon here and then tap on photos. You'll be headed to the photos on your device. That's good. But what about if you just tap and hold and then you're headed to the photos instantly? Now there is no need to tap the plus icon and then photos. No, just tap and hold and then you're headed to the photos instantly. Choose the one that you want to send, and that's it. Now, still here in the Messages, did you know that you can go to the keyboard settings right from here? There is no need to go out of the Messages and then go to the settings and then dive into like taking a couple of steps, then you reach the keyboard settings. No, in the Messages app, tap on the globe icon here and hold, and then tap on keyboard settings. And you can see that I'm headed right instantly to the keyboard settings on my iPhone. Easy, smart, and quick. Now, let's go to Messages again. And I'm typing to someone, okay? I'm telling him when is the meeting. For example, I forgot to write down is here. I forgot a word, for example, okay? Now, just tap and hold the space bar. Now, the spacebar turns into a trackpad. Now you can move the cursor to wherever you want, where you missed the word. Okay, so when is just insert, and that's it. You're good to go and send it to that person. Now let's get out of the Messages and head to the other hidden features. After the release of iOS 26, now let's say that I want to go to the settings. And now I'm in the keyboard settings, for example. I want to go back to the previous page or setting. We used to like slide it from the edge of the screen. But did you guys know that after the release of iOS 26, there's no need to like swipe it from the edge of the, we can say, side of the screen. You only need to tap on the middle of the page or the screen, and that's it. Let's try it again. Just on the middle, drag it, and that's it. No need to do so. Now just in the middle, and that's it. Now one more important hidden feature available here is that let me go to, for example, general, background app refresh. Okay, background app refresh again. Now if I want to go back to the previous or the first page in the settings, I need to tap this little arrow here, tap it maybe twice or 3 times or even 4 times to get it to make it to the first page. The hidden feature here, the hidden trick here is that tap and hold it and all the previous, we can say, pages are here. Now you can tap on the one that you want to go back to that one easily and quickly. Now if I tap on the settings, I'll be headed instantly to the first page of the settings on this iPhone. The next hidden feature is that when we swipe down the screen on iPhone, we have the Siri suggestions here, or we can say the search screen here. We can search anything on iPhone, or you can just tap on search here and then we're good to go to write down or search for the thing that we want on iPhone. But the thing here is that, now watch this. Now I write down, for example, 100 kilo or kilogram. Now my iPhone instantly turns it to pounds. This is a real convert, which is correct, 100%. And you don't even need the Wi-Fi or because of internet for this one. Just write down it here. Automatically, instantly, you will have the result right here. Another hidden feature that you can have here is doing maths here. Just write down 12 times 32 and that's it. You got 384, which is correct and easy, quick and smart. Another cool hidden feature on iPhone, maybe most users are not using, I believe. Any specific app, maybe I can say most of them. If you tap and hold it for a while, just like we can say a second, okay? Not tap and hold it for a long time where you have the jiggle mode, you can remove it or like take it or move it to another, we can say page. No, just tap and hold it 1 second. Okay, now for the settings, this is something that I do it on daily basis. Now, there is no need to like tap on settings, then go to like, for example, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or something else. Now watch this, tap and hold it. Now you can get to the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular, and even battery, okay, which maybe you would need like, for example, like a couple of steps taking it when you want to reach it. But if I just tap on it here, I'm headed to the battery right from there. There is no need of like taking many steps to reach that setting. Now, another cool thing here, it is not available only for, we can say, the settings. No, watch this. Now I tap on App Store here. This is how I update or see like the apps that need update or to be updated on my device. Not even for updates to redeem a card or to see the purchase. Now for the photos, again, tap and hold. You can see the most recent favorites. And for the camera, which is something really good for those who, use camera a lot, just tap and hold and tap on selfie. Boom, you got the selfie camera opened instantly for the video, portrait, selfie, and so on. Not only for these, for many other apps, this is available, will make your life much easier, believe me. So guys, these were a couple of hidden iPhone features. I use them every day, and I believe iPhone, maybe most iPhone users like forget to use them every day. These are not like normal iPhone features. Believe me, if you get used to using these tricks, you'll get the most of your iPhone easier, quicker, and they're really cool, smart features on your iPhone. Now, if you found at least one of these hidden features like useful or important to you guys, share it with a friend and hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't so far. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.